Good morning, everyone. You're welcome to my YouTube page. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, turn on the notification for you to get the latest update anytime I post pictures and post videos of any flyer. So, the YouTube page is dedicated to training amateurs to be the best. So, we wouldn't waste your time. We'll go straight to the point. Today, I'll be designing for you a flyer, and a flex banner for dry cleaning company. So, these are the resources I will be using, and this is the page. First, you open the CorelDRAW. After opening the CorelDRAW, you size your work, your page 3 feet by 4 feet. Flex banner is what you want to do. That is what I really want to design. After designing, you hold your right clicking very hard. When you hold it, you hold your shift and you drag, you expound it. It still will not affect the size you are working when you power click. Now I want to work on this space using CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW is the software I'll be using. So these are the resources I'll be using for the design in question. So here it's how it's going to be. Follow me, please. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to follow me up also. So these are the resources I'll be using for the design. So this is it. I'll bring it into the page, reduce it closely. So first off, I make a rectangle because I'm going to be showing you how to make it easy. I use the color eyedropper tool. Click here, I drop the tool, I remove the outline. I'll click this place to show more colors. Now I'm using this color here, then using my interactive fit tool to add more colors to it. I'm adding more colors, then I drag it this way. Good. That's good. So I bring it, then I use shift page up. So after putting shift page up, I reduce it properly. Then now I apply this shift page up to bring it forward. Shift page up. No, let me use this one here. Shift page up. This one should be here. This is what I'm using. So now let me just apply this here. Please don't forget to like and share this video too, so as more people who wants to learn would be easily able to find it. So now I go down to my write-up. I'll go to my write-ups. It's add a new laundry and dry cleaning service. So I drop the two. Use the font you'll be using is Montserrat. Don't forget, while designing, you must not use more than one font more than 3 fonts. Exactly, more than 3 fonts. You must not use more than 3 fonts. So it's the maximum of fonts you're going to be using. So Montserrat, I use the extra board. Control A, Control Shift F3. Then I use the title case. Shift F3. You will see the tab downwards. Then you use the title case for it. Shift it this way. This is E. So you apply this color. How do you apply the color? You used your right clicking, you drag it upwards. It will give you something like this. Then you leave it, then you copy fill inside. That is how you apply the color. Then you copy fill also. That is how the color is being applied. Shoot this. Remember the font of emphasis. The font of emphasis need to always be bold. So the font of emphasis in this case is the company, the name of the company. That is Adanu Laundry. Is always necessary for it to be bold. So go down to the services. That is 60 pieces. For 10K. Yeah. Peak of splash delivery. Inclusive. Okay. Please don't forget to always like and share this video for it to get to more audience who really wants to see how to do simple flyer with just one or two background or mostly colors, because that is what I'm going to be teaching on this YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and share this page to more audience, and also you can invite people by sharing the link to people who really wants to learn graphics. This is supposed to be a set. Yes. So this is continue. Then here we go. You read? Double it. Why you double it? You drag, click the two, you click this, you hold shift, you click on this. That is right clicking on left clicking on there. Then you drag it downwards, then you right click. That is how you're able to achieve this. Then you click this, weld it, you weld it. That is to join it all together. Then you drag. Please, there's something I really want to create here. So freebies, that is what you get for referring the organization. Yes. you drag. With left clicking, you right click. That is how you double it to make your work fast without you going to pick on other phones anymore. Two. It's your system. So for the resources I'm using for these graphics, you can also get it at freepik.com. That's where you can get the resources used for these graphics. So place this here. Let's say place it here, or let me place it here. Yes, just place it here. Drag and click. Place it here. So pick up your delivery. So please don't forget to like, share this group. So this is what you do: pick up your delivery. These are Wednesdays and Saturdays. So this is it. So bring it downwards. Drop the 2. Click the white where it's found. Why? So as it will be visible even when printed or flex banners. It surely needs to be visible, very visible enough for people to see and behold it properly. So you can check out my other videos I'll be uploading. Please stay tuned. I'll be uploading videos tomorrow on how to do flex banner for wedding. Very simple, just one color background, just one color. Then here you put the address. That is number 42 Akpa Street, Utukpo, Benue State. This is in Nigeria. In case of my international audience that wants to know which particular place this is located, please see. This is what I want to do. Then you go here, you pick these two. You pick these two, you click on the mirror vertically to raise it downwards. Then you go here, you pick an eclipse tool, you open it widely, open it properly. Then you click on it, then you hold shift key, your shift key, then you click on the tool, then you click simplify. Simplify is like opening the middle, opening in between, then you click the bolt and weld it. So now you've done the location, this thing, you've done it properly. So let me just remove Nigeria because there's no need for that at all. But this is the flex banner I'm designing. Ctrl K, that is, you break it apart. To break it apart and let each one stand independently. So here, properly done. So now we'll bring this tool. This tool is for the, you flip it, like you flip, mirror it horizontally, then you double click it twice and you roll it upwards, click it. Then the phone number, the contact 070 6249 6123 and 08123 60 5118, which is the contact given to me. So this is it. So we'll click it. So lest I forget, this is the new what is it called, dry cleaning service opening around there. So I would open now, open, understand? So as people passing around would easily know that okay, this is new. You click your shape tool, bring it close, you drop the tool, click your shape tool, you close it downwards, so as you can be able to expand it and make it very, very visible for the eyes to see from afar. So now I'm creating, I'm going to be creating, you drag it this way, you copy fill here, you bring it downwards, then I blur it. You hold shift and page down, you page it downwards, no, Ctrl Z. So this is it, simple, fast and easy. I've been able to do the flyer and the flex banner all at the same time for a dry cleaning services that is rendered by an organization. So what I do next is export it. I'm going to export it, so now see how it is being exported. So I save it, dry cleaning service. So look, I'm exporting it to the desktop so as I will be able to see it export. So I push scroll down. If you're using Corridor newly, it's going to be showing this way. So you click your transformation, then this is always 300, but if it's going to be flyer, you can make it 400. So you okay it. Don't forget the color mode I'm using to export and do this graphics is RGB. So this is JPEG, this is JPEG, so don't forget that. So thank you so much for still holding down. Don't forget to like, comment and then view this